So this is what I'm doing today. It's mid-July, and well, it's just a couple of days past mid-July. Spreading some palm seed down here in the ravine. I'm down here where the pedicites grow. You can throw some palm seed in there. It's always a good place to throw some palm seed. And then I just kind of wander around the back 40 of our property here, which is absolutely beautiful. And we'll throw some palm seed around here too. There's still water in the creek. It did actually rain this morning. And there's the bald cypress there. And lots of palm seeds here. I've already spread half the bucket, so get through these ferns. Got a lot of ferns here, but take some of these seeds and just throw them all underneath. There's palm seedlings growing everywhere there. So the ones that don't rot or the rodents don't eat, they will grow, and some of them will adapt to these wet conditions, which is kind of cool. So anyway, I'm going to continue my little journey through our property and pretend to be Johnny Palm Seed, or Johnny Appleseed. Yeah, lots of deer tracks in here too. So, all right guys, we'll just put some in the deer tracks. Deer don't eat them. Thanks for watching. Cheers.